Guys, magluto tayo ng isdang malaki. Yan. Chipora. Here in Greece, in Europe. This is the Europe fish. Onion, carrots, celery, plain celery, and tomato. Yan. And also, we have a black pepper and nor. Prepare hot water for this soup. Yes. Put onion, put in tomato, right, to boil and cover. Open again. Put the ginger, yes, carrots, okay, and bring to boil. So you put half after fish. Yes. Then peppercorn. After the celery leaves. Yes. Together all. Because the fish is difficult to make a more boiled. Okay. So together with celery. Like. Alright. So the last. The big chili. Yes. And then to be ready, this I'm missing soup or fish soup or sopa, we call in Greek. Like. And thank you and bye bye. Please subscribe Randy Vlog. Bye bye. Thank you. Have a good day.